If you're wondering how you can set an alarm on the Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just swipe up and open the app drawer, and in the app drawer you will find the option of alarm. Just tap on it, and from here you can enable the toggle for the existing alarm, or you can select add on band. And by doing that you will be able to set an alarm on your Galaxy Fit 3. From here just set the time, and after you set the time for your alarm, then tap on next. And from here you can tap on repeat, and you can select when you want to repeat this alarm. Just like that. Then tap on done to save. Now you can tap on snooze, and you can select the snooze duration. Just like that. And once you're done customizing your alarm, just tap on save. And by doing that you will create an alarm on your Galaxy Fit 3. Just like that. And this is how you can set an alarm on the Galaxy Fit 3. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.